Caution: always wear the protective goggles and gloves came with the printer when performing the cleaning. Should ink come in contact with your skin or eyes, use water to remove and clean the affected area immediately. You need 7 to 8 minutes to clean the head surrounding area and perform the cleaning every day. Use maintenance solution SPC0369 and cleaning stick SPC0527. When performing the cleaning, use maintenance washing liquid kit SPC0369 for solvent ink, or cleaning liquid bottle kit SPC0137 for sublimation ink. Perform the cleaning with the media removed. Clean the carriage bottom. Go to Maintenance, Station Maintenance, Carriage Out, Head Maintenance, and press the Enter key. The carriage slides back to the left end in the main unit. Open the maintenance cover and the head maintenance cover. Let a dropper suck up small amount of the maintenance solution and drip the liquid in the disposable cup. Let the clean stick absorb the maintenance solution. Never pour the remaining liquid in the cup back to the bottle. Never touch the head nozzle surface, colored in red. Wipe off the ink and dust on the side of the head with the maintenance solution-soaked clean stick. Wipe off the ink and dust on the bottom of the carriage with the maintenance solution-soaked maintenance cloth. Once finished the cleaning, close the head maintenance cover and the maintenance cover and press the Enter key. Now the head surrounding area is all cleaned up. Double-check your requests for care and operation manual as well. Perform the daily maintenance to keep the printer at its best.